In the stillness of the night, a gentle breeze carries whispers